Want to make your Outlook emails easier to read and more professional? Adding bullet points or pointers is the perfect way to keep your message organized and clear. Start by heading over to the Mail section in Outlook. Once you're there, look toward the top left corner and click New Mail. This opens up a blank email ready for you to compose your message. Now let's add some structure. At the top of your email window, you'll see the formatting toolbar. Among the options, find the bullets icon. It usually looks like a small group of dots. Click it, and you're ready to type out your first bullet point. Each time you hit enter, Outlook will automatically create a new bullet, keeping your points neatly lined up. If you'd like to add subpoints, just press the tab key and your text will indent, creating a nested list. This is especially useful for breaking down details or adding action steps under a main idea. Changed your mind about a bullet? No problem. Simply highlight the text and click the bullets icon again to remove it. This gives you full control over how your email looks, and that's all there is to it. By using bullet points in Outlook, your emails become easier to follow, more polished, and far more effective at getting your message across. Give it a try in your next email. You'll be surprised at how much smoother your communication becomes. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.